Hello everyone, I am Manisha Rani and welcome to my channel Our Orange Kitchen. Today we are going to see how to make Tisrya Sukka or Clams Sukka Karwar style. Before we look at the recipe, please hit the subscribe button which is right below the video. Let us now take a look at the ingredients. 100 clams, some with shell and rest without. Since we do not get fresh clams in the place we stay, what we do is when we go to our hometown, we get fresh clams, boil it with some salt and turmeric powder, cool it, freeze it, and then carry it. Good to go for about 12 hours. 1 cup of grated coconut, 1 chopped, 10 to 12 garlic cloves chopped, 1 inch ginger chopped, 2 tablespoons of coriander leaves chopped, salt as required, turmeric powder 1/4 teaspoon, red chili powder 2 teaspoon, garam masala 1 teaspoon, oil 1 teaspoon, water as required. Let us now prepare the sukka. In a deep pan, add 1 teaspoon oil. Once the oil gets heated, add chopped garlic and ginger and fry till it changes color. Add the chopped onion and fry till it starts turning brown color. Now we will add the spices. Add turmeric powder, red chili powder, garam masala powder. Add about 1 tablespoon of water so that the masala won't burn and it will fry well. Once the masala is fried, add the boiled clams and mix well with the masala. Add salt if required. Remember, salt was added while boiling clams. Add the grated coconut and coriander leaves and combine everything together. Close the lid and let it cook for 3 to 4 minutes. Check in between. Tisrya Sukka is now ready. Enjoy with roti or chapati. Hit the like button if you liked the video and share with family and friends. For the detailed recipe, do check the link below in the description box for my blog. Thank you for watching.